Testing your payment link is a two-step process. Step number one, you need to log into your Clickbank account. Click on My Site at the top. Scroll all the way to the bottom and look for this box here that says Testing Your Products. Click Edit, fill in the details, and Clickbank will give you a test credit card number, as you can see here. And it'll give you the card expiration date and the card validation code. Once you have this information in hand, you can move to step number two. Step number two, what you want to do is you want to go to your pitch page or your sales page, and you want to click on your payment button. Clicking on your payment button before getting approved to Clickbank will send you to this page. Use the information that you were given in step number one and enter that information here. Click on Pay Now, and if the process works, then Clickbank will forward you, to the receipt and to your thank you page and so forth. And that's it. If everything works great, then you're good to go and you can submit your product for approval. If you still have problems, double check everything, make sure everything's right, and if you have problems, contact Clickbank. And Clickbank does provide good service as well. But it's a very, very easy process, two-step process that you should be able to do fairly quickly and easily. So congratulations, you are done with this video series. By now, you should be able to understand how to take your product and set it up on the Clickbank network.